Hello everyone, I'm Shivam Pasari and welcome to ASN Academy. So as you can see from the title of this video, in this video we'll solve another good question from the topic of work, and the question has been taken from RBI Assistant Exam 2023. Now the question is as follows: A and B can finish a work in 10 days while B and C can do in 18 days. A started the work, worked for 5 days, then B worked for 10 days and the remaining work was finished by C in 15 days. In how many days can C alone finish the work? Now we are provided 5 options for this question. Option A 30 days, option B 15 days, option C 45 days, option D 24 days, and option E none of these. So this was our question, and I would like you to try this question first by yourself and then come back to the video for the solution. I hope that I've tried the question and you have got the solution, and if you didn't, then let's check the solution. So according to our question, it is given that A and B can finish a work in 10 days. So A and B combined can finish a work in 10 days, while B and C combined can do it in 18 days. A started the work, worked for 5 days, then B worked for 10 days, and the remaining work was finished by C in 15 days. How many days can C alone finish the work? So it's a simple question and we can easily solve it by using the units method. So let's say the total work done, that is the total work done required, is W. Now every day A does A units of work, every day B does B units of work, and every day C does C units of work. So if A and B can finish a work in 10 days, then every day A plus B does W by 10 work. Now same, we can say that B and C can do in 18 days. So every day B plus C does W by 18 amount of work. Now it is given that A started the work and worked for 5 days. So total work done by A would be 5A, because every day A does A units of work. So 5A. Similarly, B worked for 10 days. So B did 10 units of B unit of work. So 5A plus 10B, and the remaining work was finished by C in 15 days. So the total work done by C was 15C, and this equivalent as the total work to be done W. Now what we can see is A plus B is equal to W by 10 and B plus C is equal to W by 18. So if we can rearrange it, we can write it as 5A plus 5B plus 5B plus 5C, and 10C over here, it is equal to W. So it is still the first equation. I have just break it down. Now I can take 5 common from the first two terms. So I have A plus B. Then similarly, I can take 5 common from the next two terms. So I have B plus C, and this 10C is left out. Now this is equal to W. Now I know that A plus B is equal to W by 10. So I'll just simply replace it by W by 10. So I have 5W by 10. Now I have B plus C and I know that it is W by 18. So I'll just replace it by W by 18 and I have 10C over here, and it is equal to W. Now we can simply take the LCM. Now LCM of 10 and 18 can be taken as 90. Now 9 times 5 is equal to 45W. Now 18 times 5 is equal to 90, and we have 5W over here. So I have 25W over here, and 10 times 90 is equal to 900. So we have 900C over here, which is equal to W. Now if we rearrange it, we'll get 70W plus 900C is equal to 90W, or I can say that 20W is equal to 900C, and upon calculation this will come as work done is equal to 45 units of C. So 45 units of C is required to do the total amount of work done, that is W. So I can say that C alone will finish the work in 45 days. So that's our answer, option number C, 45 days.